I guide you to fix YouTube lag in Chrome. So let's say you are watching your YouTube on the Google Chrome and your YouTube is in lag. So let's fix that in the Chrome settings. For that, you need to tap on the three dots, which is in the very top corner. So after that, you need to scroll down to find the settings. And in the settings, you can scroll down to find system and performance, or otherwise you can go for system also. From there, you need to tap on the system, and after that you need to make sure that use graphics acceleration when available is turned on. Let's say if that is turned off, or otherwise use hardware acceleration when available is turned on. You need to make sure you switch over use graphics acceleration when available, and if that is turned off you need to turn on and restart that. After restarting, it will take you to the YouTube page again. From there you could fix the YouTube lag in the Google Chrome. So this is how you could fix that. Thank you.